Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this four-way tire valve tool. This tool is used to remove the valve stem core in either your car tire or your bike tire when it's leaking. So I have my car tire here. We're going to show you and demonstrate how to use all four sides of this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first order of business is to locate the valve stem on your tire, and you're going to remove the protective cap. Next, what you want to do is release the pressure. So I'm just going to zoom you in and you'll see the valve stem right in there. All right, so you'll see the little stem right in the middle there. So the first part of the tool that we use is going to be this pointed edge, and you're going to press it down to release the pressure. All right, so it's important to release as much of the air pressure from the tire before you unscrew the stem core, because if you go and you take the core out before taking the air pressure out, you risk injury from it shooting out at you, and you can also damage the valve as well. So let's go ahead and continue taking out as much pressure as we can. All right, so once you hear that the air coming out is a little quieter, there's less air coming out, and you can give this a squeeze and it's not very firm anymore, you can go ahead and use this portion of the tool right here. This is to remove the stem. All right, so now you're going to take this portion right here and you're going to place it down in over the stem, and you're going to rotate it and you'll feel it drop down in and it'll lock into place. Now it's safe to just twist it, shouldn't be too tight. And you're going to rotate that stem out. And some air might release again. So there is the stem core. So when you're pressing down on this, you're opening up that valve. That's how you're releasing the air. All right, so the next portion of this tool is your thread repair. This is the inner thread repair. You also have an outer thread repair. And this pointed side also can get debris out. So we're going to stick the pointed side in, and we're just going to fish around and make sure there's no road debris or rubber bits. Then we're going to use this smaller threaded side, and we're going to stick it in there and twist it in. This will correct the threads. Once you feel it bottom out, back it out. Now doing this will make sure that you have a good proper thread and seat for your new valve stem. Then you can use this outer thread repair piece, and that goes over top. Same thing, once it bottoms out, back it up. Now you're good to take your new valve core stem here, and you're going to place it in the same way that you took the old one out. So just make sure this rectangular piece is sticking out. And then I like to just feel it by hand, give it a couple twists to make sure that you're not going to cross thread it. Take your piece right here and put it over top, and we're going to thread this back in. And you'll feel after doing the thread repair on the inside, it'll be a lot easier to twist this in. And you don't want this too tight, just take a couple fingers once it bottoms out, very lightly like that. You don't want to strip it. Now you're good to go, fill it back up with air. Now these kits do come with some of these screwdrivers, but they only take out the stem. So I like to use these four-way ones because you can do all the thread repair and everything, and they're only about $5 on Amazon. So hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.